Unlock the full potential of ChatGPT by learning the art of creating powerful and insightful prompts. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of generating effective prompts to get the best and most insightful responses from ChatGPT. Don't miss out, watch now. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that will elevate your interactions with ChatGPT. Why prompts matter. Before we dive into the details, let's understand why crafting the right prompts is crucial. A well-crafted prompt sets the stage for meaningful and insightful conversations with ChatGPT. Understanding the model. ChatGPT is an amazing language model that thrives on prompts. It takes your input and generates responses that match the context. Key elements of a good prompt. 1. Clear intent. Ask yourself, what's the main goal of this conversation? Are you looking for information, creative ideas, or assistance? Defining your intent is the first step to success. Example, if you are a writer seeking insightful inspiration for a fantasy novel, a prompt like, help me come up with unique fantasy world-building ideas is much more effective than, give me some writing tips. 2. Specificity. Be specific. Instead of, tell me about good places to travel, try, suggest off-the-beaten-path destinations in Europe for an adventurous soul. Example, imagine you are a food blogger seeking insightful recipes. Instead of, tell me about delicious desserts, try, provide me with insightful easy-to-make chocolate lava cake recipes. 3. Contextual information. Provide context. Share relevant details about the topic to give ChatGPT a head start in understanding your request. Example, consider a scenario where you are planning a trip. Instead of, tell me about Paris, provide insightful context like, I'm traveling to Paris next month with my family. Recommend insightful family-friendly attractions and local eateries. 4. Examples and scenarios. Give examples. Instead of, tell me about tech trends, consider, explain the insightful impact of AI on healthcare and education. Case study. Suppose you're a student working on an insightful AI project. Instead of, explain machine learning, use, illustrate the insightful differences between supervised and unsupervised learning using real-world examples. Avoiding ambiguity. A vague prompt can lead to unexpected results. Keep it crystal clear. Visual. Vague prompt and resulting ambiguous response comparison. Using open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage ChatGPT to provide detailed, insightful responses. Example, to spark insightful creativity, ask questions like, how would an AI-powered society impact the job market? This invites ChatGPT to explore insightful multiple angles and provide well-rounded responses. Considering tone and style. Tone matters. Set the desired tone for the conversation, whether it's casual, formal, or informative. Example, if you're aiming for a casual conversation, an insightful prompt like, chat about your favorite movies can lead to fun and relatable insightful discussions. Length of prompts. Balance brevity and context. While concise prompts are great, add more insightful context when needed. Example, suppose you're an insightful tech enthusiast asking about the future of smartphones. Instead of, what's the next big thing in smartphones, try, provide insightful insights into upcoming smartphone trends and innovations. Experimentation and iteration. Refining prompts might take a few tries. Embrace the insightful process of experimentation. Case study. Let's say you are an insightful marketer crafting social media content. Initially, you might use a prompt like, give me marketing tips. After insightful testing, you could refine it to, suggest insightful and creative ways to boost engagement on Instagram. Testing and adjusting. Test different prompts and observe how ChatGPT responds. Adjust your prompts accordingly. Example, imagine you are an insightful student seeking help with a history project. You could test insightful prompts like, tell me about World War II, and, explain the insightful causes and consequences of World War II. Adjust based on the level of insightful detail you need. Crafting the perfect prompt is like holding the key to a world of incredible and insightful AI conversations. If you found this insightful guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more AI insights, and share this insightful video with fellow AI enthusiasts. Remember, mastering prompts takes insightful practice, but it's worth every insightful effort. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next insightful video. Happy prompting! Don't forget to check out our other insightful videos for more AI-related tips and tricks. Until next time.